Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share 10 essential Excel shortcuts that will save you time and make you more efficient. Whether you're new to Excel or just looking to brush up your skills, these shortcuts are a must-know. Let's dive in. Let's start with something simple. Want a new workbook quickly? Just press Ctrl+N. This creates a new blank workbook instantly. To save your progress, use Ctrl+S. A quick habit to develop so you never lose your work. Mistake? No problem. Press Ctrl+Z to undo. Changed your mind? Press Ctrl+Y to redo. To jump to the edge of your data, use Control and arrow keys. It's perfect for navigating large datasets. Need to select a whole range? Use Control, Shift, and arrow keys. It highlights everything in that direction. Copy and paste like a pro with Control and C to copy and Control and V to paste. Simple and effective. Turn your data into a table with Ctrl+T. Tables make sorting and filtering a breeze. Need a quick sum? Press Alt+= to automatically add up a column or row of numbers. Looking for something? Use Control and F to find data. Need to replace it? Use Control and H. Finally, use F2 to edit a cell directly without double-clicking. It's a small trick but super handy. And that's a wrap. These shortcuts are just the beginning of mastering Excel. If there's a specific formula or feature you'd like me to cover in a future video, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your suggestions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Got a favorite Excel formula? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video. Stay productive and keep learning. Thanks for watching.